For this recipe, you're going to start with 2 cups of warm and not too hot water. Then you're going to add in a tablespoon of yeast and mix it up. Let it sit at room temperature until it looks bubbly like this. That's when you know the yeast is ready to work. Then you're going to add in about half of your flour. For this recipe, we're using 5 cups or about 620 grams total. When it's all mixed up, add in 2 big pinches of salt. If you're looking for an exact measurement, that's about 1 teaspoon, but I like to wing it. Then add in the rest of your flour and mix until it's pulling away from the side of the bowl. That's how you'll know when it's done. If it ends up being a little too sticky, don't be afraid to add a little bit of flour at the time. Weigh it to see how much dough you're working with. I'm looking for about 12 pretzels from this recipe, and each one came to about 98 grams. You don't have to weigh it though, you can wing it and make them all different sizes or even make huge ones. Those are pretty fun. Take about 5 to 8 cups of water and add in 2 heaping tablespoons approximately of baking soda. When you add your pretzels to this baking soda, it's what gives it the pretzel-y flavor that you're looking for. Roll it out into a long roll, make a loop, twist it up, and then fold it over. I'm sure professional pretzel makers have like much better technique, but I'm not, and it works out just fine. Add it to the water and let it boil for about 30 seconds, then pull it out and put it on your baking sheet. Recommend parchment all the time for baking, just makes life easier. Then add some coarse sea salt and bake at 375 for about 15 minutes or until they look golden brown like this. Pretzels, super easy. Hope you love them.